Let's have a quick conversation about the best construction accounting software for contractors. I want to cover everything from the pre-construction phase to the project management phase to everything, okay? So here's a review I really want you to pay attention to. Number 20, we have Plexus, our score, 6.8 over 10. So this is a good contractor accounting app for automated data entry. So we love the fact that here you have, in terms of pros and cons, Plexus create a live data feedback system between bidding, field cost, and finance, automatically translating data from one to the other, eliminating errors and cutting down on work time. So this is kind of cool. And we also love the fact that Plexus does a great job when it comes to automating data conversion for operations accounting when it comes to materials, equipment, or labor. Here is a pricing on the screen right now. You have to request a demo though. So number 20, Plexus, 6.8 over 10. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. We're going to have a quick convo about the top 10, or the top 20 rather, the top 20 construction accounting software for contractors. So number 19, we have here, Red Team, our score, 7.1 over 10. This is a great financial management tool for contractors. And we love the fact that here you have automation and workflows. This is really good. You are able to have financial reporting. You're able to have a Red Team mobile app, which can really help you speed up the process of invoicing and getting invoice approval. So this is really good. And Red Team really excels at work in progress reports, or WIP reports. So here is a pricing for Red Team as of the date of this show. Number 18, we have Construction Partner. Our score, 7.3 over 10. So this is, in our view, the top construction estimating software. And what we love about Construction Partner is that they've been in the industry for the last 20 years. And when it comes to construction accounting, and so they know exactly what they're doing. And we love the fact that with this tool, you actually get access to all the major accounting features and you can expect when it comes to the construction industry. It's a great software solution for contractors who do a lot of construction estimating. There's a flexible labor setup costing, equipment setup estimations, speed labor calculations, cost burden allocation. It's very easy to change or modify this info as you progress. Okay, and the Construction Partner costs a one-time low price. They will even take care of installation and do full training for you and your team. So it's also good for an unlimited number of users. And so this is kind of cool. And I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is the pricing for Construction Partner as of the date of this show. You need to request information from the sales team. Number 17 here, we have ZipBooks, our score, 7.5 over 10. So ZipBooks is great for free construction accounting capabilities. And we love the fact that it is a basic accounting system though. It's a basic accounting system for individuals, freelancers, startup, and SMBs with very affordable pricing, including a free version. So this is kind of cool. And you can, however, use ZipBooks for construction if your projects are not too massive. Okay, so there is a free plan of ZipBooks, which surely can be used for managing the accounting of simpler construction jobs. It's very easy to connect your bank account and credit cards to ZipBooks to get started. So this is really fantastic here. And I want to show you right now on the screen the pricing for ZipBooks as of the date of this show. The cool thing about ZipBooks is that you actually can help contractors manage equipment, labor, materials, job sites, and other moving factors of a construction project. You get your standard invoicing and billing, expense tracking, payroll services, and test preparation. So this is kind of cool. Number 16, we have here A-System Job View. Our score, 7.7 over 10. So this is a great cost. Now, when it comes to cost reporting for construction industry, this is really great. It's a really great job cost reporting software for constructions. And we love the fact that the A-System Job View is made by the A-System Corporation, which makes a few good apps for construction management and accounting. And so unlike many of its competitors, this is a one-time purchase product, and it is software you install on your own system, although there are cloud hosting options available. Okay, so this is kind of cool. So this tool is great when it comes to detailed transaction reports, job cost analytics, unit price reporting, change order management, setup costing, and more. There are many great formats of job costing reporting, such as cost versus budget analysis, purchase orders, job managers, budget positions, paid versus unpaid, and overall cost versus revenue. Here is a pricing for A-System Job View as of the date of this show. You need to request a free trial from sales. Number 15, we have AccuBuild, our score, 7.9 over 10. So this is a great contractor accounting platform for job costing. So this is kind of cool. And we love the fact that you are able to track work in progress here. You have a constellation of accounting tools for contractors. You have payroll, worker retainage, retention tracking, equipment and inventory management, and over or under billing. So this is kind of cool. And I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is the pricing for AccuBuilds as of the date of this show. You need to request a demo and the pricing list from the company. Number 14, we have here Viewpoint Spectrum. Our score 8 over 10. This is a great construction project management accounting app. So we love the fact that this provides a lot of capabilities. You are able to run a lot of processes around workflow automation to reduce data entry work and eliminate manual errors. You can use Spectrum along with many other Viewpoint tools or other apps with great integration connectors. So if you are a construction company with that's very concerned with maintaining high levels of profitability, then Spectrum is a solid tool if you can afford it, of course. And so here is a pricing for Viewpoint Spectrum as of the date of this show. Number 13, we have Penta. Our score 8.2 over 10. So Penta is kind of cool for contractor accounting. So in our view, this is the top contractor accounting system for payroll. And we love the fact that Penta, by the way, Penta technology has been great in making construction software for the last 20 to 30 years. Okay, it is a full enterprise resource planning platform that they have. And Penta has amazing financial management tools, and its top payroll accounting system is for a construction firm. Okay. And so from construction payroll to labor management to multi-state compliance, you really get a lot of data through this tool. And there is a very advanced labor cost review module, which can help you cut down on wage cost and total construction project budgets. Okay. So aside from regular home building and real estate construction, Penta is great for niche industry like concrete construction, mechanical and HVAC contractors. You have individual contractors and oil and gas contractors and more. Here is the pricing for Penta as of the date of this show. You need to get in touch with Penta to see about the cost though. Number 12, we have Job Power. Our score 8.3 over 10. So we love the fact that Job Power, it really does great construction accounting software. And so you're able to access general ledger features like balance sheet management, audit trails, tracking, and bank statement reconciliation. Simple but effective automation save time on tasks like posting debit and credit card data to general ledger. And so Job Power does a great job when it comes to your construction business. And so here is a pricing for Job Power as of the date of this show. Number 11, we have Acumatica. Our score 8.4 over 10. So Acumatica is a good cloud-based construction accounting software. Okay, so you're able to do a lot of things with this tool. You're able to basically, like, this is a cloud-based accounting software for contractors, and so you're able to take care of like operational scalability. You're able to do general construction management. You also can do project accounting. You have time tracking, service management, equipment management, and payroll tools. Okay, and you also can leverage Acumatica's ERP analytics for enhanced business intelligence, and this is kind of cool for, let's say, forecasting or better accounting planning. Here is a pricing for Acumatica as of the date of this show. Number 10, we have here Foundation. Our score 8.5 over 10. So when you think about Foundation, I want you to think about a tool that's great for your accounts receivable needs. Okay, you are able to do progress billing, construction accounting, and you also love the fact that you can track and invoice customers and create complete billing forms, all accounting to regulations. So this is kind of cool. You also can get near instant features for simpler billing needs from Foundation. Here is a pricing for Foundation as of the date of this show. So overall, Foundation is really great when it comes to like over working process limits for billing, comparative trial balances, bank reconciliations. You have automated recurring journal entries and construction audit trail. Number 9 here, we have Knowify. So Knowify, our score 8.6 over 10. So when you think about Knowify, I want you to think about a top accounting software for home builders. So if you're a home builder, that's just wonderful. Okay, you're able to take advantage of this tool, and it's really important to understand that for home builders and their various industries, Notify has modules for each specific needs. So this include like tools for managing electrical businesses, plumbing, remodeling, painting, concrete pouring, roofing, and siding, and more. And this is so you have things like you have accounting software or accounting capabilities that revolve around things like excavation, flooring, solar paneling, landscaping, and sheet metal contracting work. So this is kind of cool. I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is the pricing for here's the pricing for Notify as of the date of this show. So you can see it's very comprehensive here. Number 8, we have here Xero. Our score 8.8 over 10. So this is a great construction payments software. So like QuickBooks Online, Xero is not usually considered a contractor's accounting system. It is more of a general accounting management software, although it can definitely be used for contractors as a construction payment software. There's no problem. There are no limitations here. And so this is kind of cool. And so if you want to accept payments with Xero, contractors can really get paid directly to their bank account online. And there are apps like a Stripe or Go Cardless, which connects you to Xero. And Xero is also very safe for payments with your credit cards or even debit cards. And here is a pricing for Xero as of the date of this show. Number 7, we have CIMIC. Our score 8.9 over 10. So when you think about CIMIC, I want you to think about a great construction financial software for general ledger. We love the fact that you have financial reporting and good forecasting. You have a workflow automation. You have a workflow seamlessness. This is kind of cool. And we love the fact that you have a centralized dashboard too. This is really fantastic. Okay. So here's a pricing for CIMIC as of the date of this show. But you need to contact CIMIC for pricing though. Number 6, we have Wave. Our score 9.1 over 10. So when you think about Wave, I want you to think about one of the best free accounting free construction accounting software out there, because Wave is really not into construction per se. They just do a general list of, they just offer a general set of free accounting software tools. And it is actually a Canadian software company. So this is kind of cool. And so when you think about the free construction accounting software, we are actually talking about a financial software and accounting solution for individuals, freelancers, startups, and small businesses. And so it's really, and Wave also has, they do have tools that contractors can use and not a problem at all. So what are the pros and cons here? Pros, it's free. So not much more if you need to add, not much more when it comes to, let's say, tracking things like labor, materials, cost, and other job site considerations. This is kind of important. And there are also professional invoice templates, which beat any regular Excel spreadsheets any day of the week. And here is a pricing for Wave as of the date of this show. Number 5, we have here Procore. Our score 9.2 over 10. And what we love about Procore is that it's a great construction invoicing software. And so with Procore, you have the ability to collect data. So you can connect with important things like your financial reports. This is kind of important. So you're able to receive payments on time, but also to invoice on time too, so you can get paid, right? So that's the thing. And you have to submit. Just make sure that when you submit your data for payments, make sure that if you use Procore, make sure that the specs are in sync with what the stakeholders have agreed to before. Okay, so here's a pricing for Procore as of the date of this show. But you can do a lot of stuff with Procore though. You can actually you have like Procore has general project management features that give you accurate forecasting for cost and budgeting to maximize profitability. So this is kind of cool. And you also have so basically when you think about Procore, think about a fully stacked construction management solution, and that has great financial management features for contractors, along with pre-construction management, that project management, and a training platform. So this is kind of cool. Number 4, you have Jonas Premier Construction Software, and our score 9.4 over 10. This, in our view, is great at construction billing software. And what we love about this is that Premier Construction Software is part of the larger family of Jonas Construction ERP system. So you have a constellation of capabilities here, things from pre-billing to post-billing. You have accounts receivable. This is kind of cool. With Premier, you can take advantage of their job custom features, which streamline well with accounting, keeping all job data in one unified place. So when you think about having a great centralized place for your cost accounting for billing software, for software billing, this is kind of cool. And we love the fact that Premier has a solid tools for things like document management, subcontract management, and for handling change orders on the fly. And here is the pricing for Jonas Premier Construction Software as of the date of this show. And we also love the fact that Premier has a great tool for full onboarding, and they actually will train you also for an unlimited number of users and unlimited document storage. Number 3, we have here Sage 100 Contractor, our score 9.6 over 10, and this is a top construction industry software. We love the fact that you have you can do a lot of stuff with this tool. This is really a massive name. When you talk about Sage is really a massive name in the construction industry, and you get all the power of Sage ERP, but with dedicated contractor functionalities, and it functions especially well with small business and medium-sized businesses. And this is an all-encompassing construction and service management system. You have great features for payroll, lien waivers, and AIA billings, and you have solid estimation features. They are agile too, so we love that a lot. And you are also able to manage contracts, budgets, proposals, and subcontractors. This is kind of cool. So again, I want you to see right now on the screen, here is a pricing for Sage as of the date of this show. You need to contact sales though. You need to contact sales. It is what it is. And number 2, we have Intuit QuickBooks, our score 9.7 over 10. So if you're looking for a great general contractor accounting software, QuickBooks is there for you. I mean, it is a great name in the industry overall, and we'll love the fact that you can do a bookkeeping, accounting for your construction project, and this is kind of cool. It is really a solid tool for job costing, expense tracking, and invoicing. With this feature is working excellently for contractors, just as in other industries. And you can manage bills, accounts payable, accounts receivable, as well as get a great inventory management tool also. Okay, so this is kind of cool. And as a contractor, you can create and manage your 1099 forms to better prepare your taxes, as well as e-file the forms. Here is a pricing for QuickBooks as of the date of this show. So the Plus plan starts at around $85 per month, but you can actually go a little higher if you want to. You have the Advanced plan, you have the QuickBooks Enterprise Gold, QuickBooks Enterprise Platinum, and QuickBooks Enterprise Diamond. So this is really, it depends on what you want to do with the tool though. So overall, what we love about QuickBooks is that it has been around for a while. And if you're an accountant, your CPA wants to get better understanding of your accounting, of your construction accounting, you can invite your accounting, you can invite your accountant, and he or she will really understand QuickBooks because it's a tool that has been around for 4 decades. Okay, this is really cool and very popular with accountants too. Number 1, the best of the best when it comes to construction accounting software for contractors, we have Builder-Trend. Our score 9.9 over 10. So this is the best accounting software for contractors overall. And what we love here is that they actually started 15 to 20 years ago. They are based in Nebraska, Omaha, and they do a lot of stuff. And they have modules for both commercial contractors and specialty contractors as well. They also do home builders and remodelers. So this is fantastic. So if you're thinking about construction accounting and financial management, Builder-Trend is the place that you want to think about. Okay, you have instant bid request, subcontractor limit notifications, you have bill management, you have purchase orders, you have payment processing. Just great. You have great constellation of budgeting tools. You can track billing, POs, and change orders in real time. And same goes with estimations, cash flow management, and invoicing. So Builder-Trend really makes excellent use of construction accounting data and can produce regular and granular financial reporting with all your key metrics. Here is a pricing for a builder train as of the date of this show. You can see here, but overall, we love this tool a lot because you can use it for a lot of stuff. And again, many in the construction industry consider builder train to be the best accounting software for contractors. So here you have it, okay, as you have it. And I want to really quickly acquaint you with our approach here. So we do have a method on this show when it comes to evaluating, categorizing, and listing construction accounting software for contractors. I want you to look right now. Check this out. I want to quickly recap here. So number one, we have Builder Train, 9.9 over 10. Number two, we have Intuit QuickBooks, 9.7 over 10. Number three, we have here Sage 100 Contractor, 9.6 over 10. Number four, we have Jonas Premier Construction Software, 9.4 over 10. Number five, we have Procore, 9.2 over 10. Number six, we have Wave, 9.1 over 10. Number seven, we have a CIMIC, our score, 8.9 over 10. Number eight, we have here Zero, 8.8 over 10. Number nine, we have Notify, 8.6 over 10. And number 10, we have here Foundation, our score, 8.5 over 10. Number 11, we have here Acumatica, 8.4 over 10. Number 12, we have Job Power, 8.3 over 10. Number 13, we have Penta, our score, 8.2 over 10. Number 14, we have a Viewpoint Spectrum, 8 over 10. Number 15, we have AccuBuild, our score, 7.9 over 10. Number 16, we have Ace System Job View, 7.7 over 10. Number 17, we have ZipBooks, 7.5 over 10. Number 18, we have here Construction Partner, 7.3 over 10. And number 19, we have here Red Team, 7.1 over 10. And number 10, last but not the least, we have Plexus, our score, 6.8 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.